Dacia has always meant sensible, but the 2025 Bigster 4x4 is here to shatter expectations. It's not just sensible, it's a game-changer that could redefine value in the SUV segment. This is Dacia's bold leap into the fiercely competitive C-segment SUV market, armed with a philosophy that's shaking up the industry. Imagine a rugged family-friendly SUV without the premium price. The Bigster makes it a reality. Initial impressions from automotive journalists are overwhelmingly positive, with many calling it a game-changer delivering a premium feel without the premium price tag. With C-segment SUV prices soaring, the Bigster's aggressive pricing, starting from just £24,995 in the UK and even lower in Europe, is a direct counter-strategy to market inflation. Dacia anticipates that customers shocked at price inflation will gravitate towards the Bigster for its superior value, offering Marks & Spencer quality at discount store prices. Does budget mean boring design? Not when it looks this good. The 2025 Bigster carries Dacia's signature rugged charm, evolving it into a commanding presence. Its design prioritizes functionality, evident in the elimination of excessive chrome and the use of Starkle registered trademark, a robust unpainted material made from recycled polypropylene. This clever material minimizes visible scrapes and scratches, reinforcing Dacia's rugged and essential brand identity. It's a pragmatic application of sustainability as a design feature, transforming perceived cost-cutting into a functional and aesthetic advantage. Different trim levels, like the Extreme, offer distinct visual cues such as 18-inch wheels and unique copper brown detailing. Ever wonder if practicality can meet surprising comfort and smart innovation? Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that maximizes usable space and integrates genuinely enhancing technology. The Bigster's interior mirrors the Duster's front cabin but offers enhanced refinement and space. A key highlight is the retention of physical buttons for essential functions like climate control, a welcome departure from touchscreen-only trends. All models feature a 10.1-inch central touchscreen and a digital instrument cluster. The infotainment includes connected navigation and wireless smartphone mirroring. A thoughtful My Safety function allows drivers to personalize ADAS settings upon startup, avoiding constant readjustment. The Bigster truly shines in practicality, comfortably accommodating 5 with best-in-class knee and headroom. The boot capacity is a major highlight, boasting up to 677 liters, making it the largest in its class, even for hybrid and 4x4 models. The versatile 40-20-40 split rear seats expand cargo space to an impressive 1,977 liters. Plus, the ingenious U-clip system provides 4 fixation points for various accessories, enhancing cabin adaptability. Can a Dacia truly conquer tough terrains? The 2025 Dacia Bigster offers powertrains for diverse needs. The flagship is the Hybrid 155, which is a full hybrid, combining a 1.8-liter petrol engine with 2 electric motors for 153 to 155 brake horsepower. For a mild hybrid petrol option, there's the TCE 140, a mild hybrid with a 1.2-liter turbocharged engine. Crucially, the TCE 134X4, which is a mild hybrid, is the only all-wheel drive option, offering 128 to 130 brake horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. This 4x4 system is a key differentiator, equipped with a terrain control transmission providing 5 distinct driving modes. With a high ground clearance of 219 to 220 millimeters and independent rear suspension, the 4x4 version offers genuine off-road capability. Dacia's strategy of limiting the 4x4 option to the TCE 130 reveals a precise targeting of customer needs. The hybrid for urban efficiency and the TCE 134x4 for those genuinely needing extra ability for off-road excursions. How does the Bigster stack up against the big players, and at what price? The Dacia Bigster's most compelling attribute is its aggressive pricing, significantly undercutting main competitors. With prices starting just over £25,000 in the UK, even the top-range hybrid is under £30,000, over £5,000 less than a base-spec Volkswagen Tiguan. This dynamic pricing strategy, adapting to regional purchasing power and competitive landscapes, allows Dacia to maximize its best value for money claim. The Bigster directly competes with established CSUV players like the Nissan Qashqai and Kia Sportage. A key advantage is its class-leading boot space of 677 liters. Colloquially positioned as a Nissan Qashqai rival for Aldi shoppers, the Bigster emphasizes its cost-of-living friendly price tag and focus on providing bare essentials to make driving pleasurable but without expensive and often unnecessary extras. So, is the 2025 Dacia Bigster 4x4 the game-changer you've been waiting for? Well, the 2025 Dacia Bigster 4x4 certainly presents a compelling case for value-conscious buyers. Its strengths, include unbeatable value and immense practicality. With best-in-class boot space and the U-clip system, there's also the robust design with smart, sustainable materials. Plus, you've got genuine 4x4 capability in the TCE 130 variant, and a sensible tech approach with user-friendly physical controls. Now, while some interior plastics might feel a bit cheap and there's noticeable wind noise at motorway speeds, these are deliberate trade-offs that reinforce its value proposition, These compromises are actually features for the anti-premium consumer. They attract buyers who feel like they're cheating the system by getting so much car for their money. The ideal buyer is the budget-conscious individual or family, prioritizing practicality and value. They're seeking a spacious and affordable SUV without compromising on essential style or capability. So, what are your thoughts on the 2025 Dacia Bigster 4x4? Does its blend of rugged design, immense practicality, and aggressive pricing make it a winner for you? We'd love to hear from you, so let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Supercar for more expert reviews and first looks at the automotive world's most exciting vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.